really interested in camping a lot lately, and unfortunately, it's not a good time of the year to get into that kind of stuff. It's the middle of January, it's a little bit cold. I did check the weather to where I'm going. It seems like it doesn't get below freezing, but I'm going to be car camping. I don't plan on leaving my vehicle very far. I'm just going to do a short little tent camp out in Tillamook Forest. This will be my first winter camp. I've never done it before, and when I was packing everything, I was a little bit scared. I was a little worried that like things are not going to be okay. I'm going to get stuck. But I'm confident that I have enough stuff that even if I did get stuck, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. Or I mean, it'd be scary, but but I'd have enough to survive. I've got full tank of gas. I've got plenty of water, plenty of fuel for a fire. But yeah. Anyways, I'm just getting started. I'm on the highway right now, leaving Portland. It's about an hour away, so I'll see you when I get to my campsite. Weather's looking pretty gross today. Starting to see some snow. This is probably going to be pretty miserable. Like I said, this is going to be an experiment. Maybe I'll be able to do it, maybe I won't. But yeah, it looks pretty crappy outside, so... Okay, so we've made it. So, this is my super secret campsite. We're right by the highway right now, but we'll hike into there, probably. Find a spot. We could also hike over there. Let's scope it out. Let's see what we can find. I was gonna say the weather's not bad, but it's actually hailing. It's hailing. But temperature-wise, it's not bad. It's pretty warm, actually. I think I found it. I think that might be the spot. So, still pretty close to the car. But there are a lot of these raspberry bushes around. They sure are prickly. There's also tons of deer poop out here. But yeah, oh my gosh, look at this. I keep getting stuck on these bramble bushes. Oh my gosh. I think this is it. This is the spot. Nice and flat. I'm gonna clear it out and set up home. All right, doing this move where you attach a branch to a tree. I think my backpack might be too heavy for it, but the idea is to get it off the ground, keep it from getting wet. All right, next step, let's tie up that tarp. So there's my shelter. There's my shelter from the other side. Okay, there's stage one of my tent setup. Hey, it's me again. So finished setting up my tent. It's completely dark. I can't see anything. And I haven't eaten yet. I need to make food. That should be no problem. I brought Trangia. Love me a good Trangia. And that should be no problem to set up, get started. I'm probably just going to cook outside the tent here. I'm exhausted, so taking a nice, well-deserved sit, I think, for a minute or two. And then I'm going to get food started. The plan for dinner is to make some rice with some broccoli and some salami that I got at Winco. So we'll see how that goes. That should be fun. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. We'll make some food, wind down for the night, and yeah, it should be nice. Here's my kitchen. So fuel, I've got rice, salami, broccoli, a little soda. That's a snack for later. I've got my kettle. I don't need that yet. I'm going to use that for coffee in the morning and oatmeal. There's my mess kit and my stove. Alright, so we're going to get things set up. It is super dark outside. I apologize for that. Only going to be so much I'll be able to show you. But I'm going to set up our windscreen here. Alright, so here's my Trangia Mini. I love this thing. I've already used it a few times. But the top is a frying pan and the bottom is a pot. You open it up and there's the frying pan. Here's the stove. So it's got a little windshield on it, but it's not really enough. It definitely needs a separate windshield. The simmer ring's important. This is how you put it out when you're done with it. So we'll keep that just accessible right there. All right, and then our fuel is under our tent right here. Fill up our stove. About 2/3 of the way full. Just like, all right. Put our pot on there, just like that. Take our water, fill it up. I love roughing it, and the weather's so crappy and just like, it's miserable outside. I love it. It's so fun. Okay, so I've got my ferro rod here. It's definitely easier just to do it with a lighter, but what fun is that? There we go. Almost got it in frame. Let's put our windscreen up, just protect that flame a little bit. And there, it's all bloomed up. So, super quick, super easy. Now here's a mistake I learned when doing it at home, is that you shouldn't put the pot on the thing without the pot holder. I did it by hand before and didn't get too burnt, but it definitely surprised me. So just make sure that's steady on there. It's a little bit of gunk in our water, but a little bit of gunk never hurt anybody. So, of course, in order to help it boil faster, you can put the lid on just like that. And there you can see the stove going to work. Wow, the stars. Holy crap. Oh, you guys probably can't see it, but oh my god, the stars are amazing out here. It's not the most amazing stars I've seen. There's still a lot of light pollution around here, but holy crap, they're so bright. That is awesome. But yeah, after the rice is done, we start making salami. I'll check back in. And there's our seasoned rice all finish. I want to hurry up and cover this, so yeah, next step. Sorry, I got so caught up in cooking, I forgot to show you, but man, oh man, it smells awesome. Just salami and broccoli out in the open wild. We're gonna add some rice to this dish and chow down. Should be good. And there's our meal. It smells awesome. I'm really excited to try it. After dinner, it's time to just head to camp, head to home, which is right over there. And there's all my stuff. Pack that away. I don't know how to light this. These shots are always creepy. Hello. So yeah, I'm in my tent. It's very cozy. Sleeping bag feels warm. It's nice. So far the Thermarest mat is not uncomfortable. Let's see. I'm very sleepy. Probably because I ate too much food. It was very good. Oh, the rain sounds so nice. You can hear the highway too, but that's okay. So the biggest issue with camping out here is the brickle brambles. Oh my god, they're everywhere and they kept sticking me. So like getting those out of the way was annoying, but needed to be done. And that shit's probably everywhere. So that's where the saw came in handy. It was like clearing that stuff out. Same with the gloves. I'm really glad I brought gloves like that. Trying to think. You know what came in real handy is the garbage bags. I left my tent footprint at home. That's the thing that keeps your tent from getting dirty. So I cut up one of those black construction debris bags and used that as a tent footprint. I also used it as a staging area to keep my gear dry while I was setting up my tent. That was very helpful. I also used the bag for a bear bag to lift stuff up into the tree. So those bags came in real handy. Been singing a lot of sea shanties just because I'm a little scared of animals. Like logically I know it's fine, but you know, it's dark out there and you can't really see anything. So I've been trying to make my presence known and been bellowing out some sea shanties. Too embarrassed to do it on camera, but maybe someday. But yeah, anyways, mission success. I feel comfortable. Pretty confident I'm gonna get a good night's sleep, and yeah, looking forward to some sunlight and exploring around the campsite. And yeah, and then we'll pack up and call it a day. Until then, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, it's morning. I made it. It sure rained a lot last night. My tarp kept everything super dry. It was raining pretty crazy. The only thing was that sleeping pad is no good. I was so uncomfortable the whole night. Just sleeping on the cold hard ground. Yeah, like my shoulders and my hips hurt a lot. So I think that sleeping pad, it's a good addition, but it's not enough for just your only sleeping pad. But yeah, other than that, it was pretty successful. It was very cozy. It was very nice. I'm gonna take a piss, make some coffee. So you can see that's all fog. There's the area we want to explore. Big ass tree. So yeah, I'd say it was a success. It's definitely been fun. I would like to do it again. This is probably the coldest I would want to do. I don't know if I'd want to do sub-freezing temperatures. That seems gnarly. My clothes are all wet and stuff. It would suck if they were like frozen. But yeah, it was fun. I liked it. A bunch of birds came to stop by. It's probably hard to see them. Hi, birdies. All right. This is my campsite before. And that's after. Leave no trace. All right, guys. I'm all packed up. I got my backpacks on. Ready to go. I look like a dork. Let's get out of here. One more pan around at the awesome place I got to stay. Really, lucky and glad I could come out, and the weather was actually not too bad, all things considered. Beautiful place. I love the forest out here. It's so pretty. All right, guys. Mission success. Thanks for watching. If you're me, this was a lot of fun, and I'd like to do it again. All right. See ya.